20k na laptop? Meron din tayo yan. Bagong labas nila to ngayon. Sobrang mura niya for the specs na meron siya. So, di masyadong kilala yung brand, pero medyo sikat siya sa Shopee. Kasi sobrang mura niya para dun sa specs na meron siya. Like, this one for 20k, naka 5000 series Ryzen 5 na siya. Tapos, 16GB of RAM, 512GB pa yung storage. But of course, hindi siya kasing kalibre nung mga kilalang brand talaga. So, buyer's discretion na lang. Inside the box, merong wireless mouse, mousepad, at yung laptop mismo nakalagay sa isang sleeve. In fairness, medyo mas matino yung build quality nito kaysa doon sa naunang Ningmei na in-unbox nila Sir Jingmar. 15.6 Full HD screen, may numpad, at tactile yung touchpad. It weighs about 1.7 kilos, 1.9 if kasama yung charger. Maganda yung port selection. It even has an Ethernet port, which is rare for non-gaming laptops like this. This laptop can be used by students or VAs, basta browser and office apps lang yung gagamitin. Pwede rin to for basic coding. For those wondering if pwede na to sa CAD, sorry guys, need mo talaga ng gaming laptop for that. If you're interested, here's the complete model code and available na to sa lahat ng branches ng UniPC.